Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Happy Shabbe Barat. I wish for you, your parents, your brothers, your sisters, and your all dependents as well as relatives too. May Allah Almighty bless all the riches of the world to all of you. Long time not at all any kind of the class. That's why, as I promised along yourself at the time when there was a last day to exhaust the physical classes, the live classes here in this academy. I promised yourself that I would start the online lectures to facilitate yourself. And now, the first day, I'm going to present whatsoever I have been having in my mind. My dear brother, may Allah Almighty, I once again pray for you. That Allah Almighty, may Allah Almighty bless you and your parents too. And may Allah Almighty below up this COVID-19 by the one command of Allah Almighty, that is a kun, and for that purpose you please command to pray that like of the word, the very, very powerful word of which the power has been having by Allah Almighty, and that is a kun, lonely the kun, by saying a kun, by Allah Almighty, by saying a kun, by Allah Almighty, that like of the very chronic COVID-19 may blow away. Now we are coming towards the lesson. Yes, come on. What stands to be the point number one? Answer?
उसका नाम याद नहीं पड़ता.
उसका नाम याद नहीं पड़ता. At a lot of the places you can find, you can hear that like other dialogue, that is a stylish dialogue. उसका नाम याद नहीं पड़ता, उसका गांव याद नहीं पड़ता. So you can build so many points, you can build so many sentences, you can have the conversation along your friends, and official languages too. This may be utilized by yourself. उसका नाम याद नहीं पड़ता. I cannot catch up his name, or I cannot call up his name. Both the points are very much essential for the sake of your just a command to insert both the points in your mind. And one sentence that I having to burn other translations. Actually, I would like to mention over yourself that my dear brother, avoid process of the translation. Okay, whatever the set English is dwelling on the world that are to be embraced by you. Yes, next one.
किस्मत ने इसका साथ छोड़ दिया है.
Is out of luck. There are a very simple stylish dialogue. किस्मत ने उसका साथ छोड़ दिया है. Is out of luck. There are a very simple, not at all any kind of the grammatical process involved therein. Yes, come on.
वो मुझसे कोई बात छुपा कर नहीं रखता.
वो मुझसे कोई बात छुपा कर नहीं रखता. He does not keep back anything from me. It doesn't keep back anything from me. Have you kept it on our mind forever? My dear brother, please come on. Always get this online class, this video recorded class, the live class. I am here, all the students. I am going to get it that all the students are here present before myself. So, what was the point?
वो मुझसे कोई बात छुपा कर नहीं रखता.
It does not keep back anything from me. It doesn't keep back anything from me. Okay? Whenever you are, Allah Almighty is going to assign you any kind of the nice post, then so forth, that like the point would serve your very purpose on the field. Okay? Next.
कल मुझे थोड़ा सा बुखार था.
I had a slight fever yesterday. कल मुझे थोड़ा सा बुखार था. I had slight fever yesterday. थोड़ा 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 जो है तो कोई बेट है, तो कोई शिमाल है, तो कोई टिन्नी है, तो कोई क्या है. लेकिन ये बुखार और बीमारी अगर थोड़ी है, अगर ज़्यादा है तो वो तो ज़्यादा है ही है, अगर थोड़ा है तो फिर वो स्लाइट है. नेक्स्ट.
पाकिस्तान में मुकदमाबाजी तेज हो रही है.
Litigation is on the increase in Pakistan. Litigation is on the increase in Pakistan. पाकिस्तान में मुकदमाबाजी तेज़ हो रही है, तो litigation is on the increase in Pakistan. ट्रैफिक पाकिस्तान में तेज़ हो रही है, तो ट्रैफिक इज़ ऑन द इंक्रीज इन पाकिस्तान. तालीम पाकिस्तान में आम हो रही है, तो भाईजान आप ये कहें कि एजुकेशन इज़ ऑन द इंक्रीज इन पाकिस्तान. नेक्स्ट कमेंट.
क्या तुम्हारी अकल ठिकाने नहीं है?
Are you off your head? Are you off your head? O double F off. Yes, O double F off. Off means मैं आपको पहले पढ़ाया था कि off means दूर है. जैसे हम जो है वो लाइट को ऑफ करते हैं तो वो लाइट हमसे दूर हो जाती है, अंधेरा आ जाता है. हम पानी को ऑफ करते हैं तो वो हमसे जो है वो दूर चला जाता है. तो इसलिए जो है वो ऑफ और ऑन का मतलब खोलना और बंद करना नहीं है. ऑफ और ऑन का मतलब जो है वो है और फिर नहीं है. नहीं है माना दूर है. ओके, तो लाइट इज़ ऑन तो माना लाइट आ गई है लाइट है. तो लाइट इज़ ऑफ तो लाइट हमसे दूर है. और लाइट बंद करो का इंग्लिश नोट कर लो, नोट इट डाउन, दैट लाइट्स ऑन, लाइट्स ऑफ, लाइट ऑन लाइट ऑफ नहीं, लाइट्स ऑन लाइट्स ऑफ. नेक्स्ट.
भीड़ हट गई है.
Crowd has given away. Crowd has given away. Crowd has given away. Over Pakistan, no way, you would have awareness about it. There is traffic overall in the corner. Now you come on that the crowd has given away. The procession is given away. Okay? Next.
ये बात तुम्हारे मुंह से नहीं सजती.
It is unbecoming of you to say so. देखो, become का मतलब है सजना. जैसे कि ये शर्ट आपको सजती है, this shirt becomes you. ये टोपी आपको सजती है, जैसे कैप becomes you. अगर नहीं सजती तो अनबिकम हो जाता है. तो ये बात आपके मुंह से नहीं सजती, तो it is unbecoming of you to say so. Okay, this is unbecoming of you to say so. It is unbecoming of you to say so. Okay, lot of the such dialogues are unway to say during the course of the conversation along anybody else, and so many persons are on way to say the very cheap language than further that like the dialogue are to be kept by yourself in our opinion that it is unbecoming of you to say so. Next. And case someone is unway to say yourself to that like thing, then first you please get it very proper. What is the what stands to be the person is going to say yourself. Next.
वो ना जिंदा दिल है ना मिलनसार.
वो ना जिंदा दिल है ना मिलनसार. He is neither jolly nor sociable. ना कि जोली है और ना मिलनसार है. ना हंसी मजाक वाला है ना मिलनसार है. ना जिंदा दिल है और ना मिलनसार है. He is neither jolly nor sociable. Okay? Next.
ये अफवाह बेबुनियाद है.
This rumor is ill-founded. This rumor is ill-founded. This rumor is ill-founded. This rumor is ill-founded. Such and such person got married. This rumor is ill-founded. XYZ has sought admission at such and such university or college. This rumor is ill-founded. So, my dear brother, that like the new stylish dialogues that are existing overall in the world, that must be placed forever by yourself into your mind too.
ये ज़ुबानी बातें हैं.
This is lip talk. This is lip talk. LIP, lip talk. This is lip talk. Lip talk. This is lip talk. Okay? ये ज़बानी बातें हैं. I have got a built of Bangalore. Lip talk. I am going to get to send you a keyboard. Lip talk. You know very well about my pronunciation and all this mind would have been gathering the conversation of myself, and this has become so, and there is not at all any kind of the mistake from the side of mine. You please come on to apprehend myself, come on to understand myself. Next.
नेकी कर दरिया में डाल.
Do well, नेकी कर दरिया में डाल. नेकी कर दरिया में डाल. Do well and expect not to whom. Do well and expect not to whom. यानी कि नेकी कर और ये उम्मीद ना रख कि किसके लिए तुमने की है. Do well and expect not to who. Next.
वक्त को हाथ से ना जाने दो.
वक्त को हाथ से ना जाने दो. कैप्चर टाइम बाय द फोरलॉक. कैप्चर का मतलब पकड़ना है. कैप्चर टाइम, वक्त को पकड़ो बाय द फोरलॉक. ऐसे नहीं कि वो फिर लॉक हो जाए. वो लॉक होने से पहले आप उसको पकड़ लें. कोई बस है, कोई नौकरी है, कोई ऐसा दाखिला है, या कोई ऐसा आपको चांस मिलता है, तो उसको आप जो है